My name is Roshan Jha. I, along with my fellow Ben, Shailesh Jha is the guide teacher today, and the way the students have exhibited the things in this science project, we are very proud of them, and I am highly obliged to the regional school director and the principal sir who have given us the opportunity to display the talents of our young buds here. So the topic which they have prepared is sugarcane, Mission Sugarcane. We have given this name because sugarcane was once a very rich source of income for the people of Bihar. But due to certain circumstances like the weather effects and all those things, it has deteriorated. Now farmers has opted to go for the staple crops instead of this cash crop, which was a part of their livelihood. So the farmers who are now much engaged in the production of the staple foods like wheat, maize, they are moving towards it because agriculture sector is the basic occupation of the people of Bihar, right?
How many students
Yeah.
participate in your school?
Yeah. So the thing is that we are creating awareness through the module to make it clear to the government and the other students so that they can actively teach the farmers of their sectors that they should go for the production of this field such that unemployment is at par right now, which can be curtailed. Thank you, sir.
I'm from Darjeeling Public School, and today on this very special occasion, that is the children's participation in this project, we are trying to convey an information about sugarcane. We have taken this topic by doing some survey in the state of Bihar actually, and in district Madhubani and some villages like Rayam. We have taken this survey from doing by farmers, and we have asked some questions. We got to know that farmers are shifting and making a transition from cash crops to staple crops. We tried to find the reason behind this, and we got to know that farmers are not comfortable doing this sugarcane crop. They feel that they are highly reliable on irrigation, but they lack irrigation. They lack some government scheme. So we want to make a betterment for farmers and want to change their life and livelihood style so that they could live comfortably with all the basic needs that a farmer needs for their irrigation, for any facilities such as electricity. We also want people and government to know that this Mission Sugarcane, this is not entirely based on just sugarcane, but also for the productivity that our country needs. Earlier, Bihar was one of the top 3 states for producing sugarcane, but now it lies behind 4 states and it lies around 56th position. This is because farmers are highly making a transition from sugarcane to staple crops such as wheat, maize and paddy. So we want everyone to know this, that not just transition is not only about that we are lacking something, but also about we are lacking a high source for income, high source that our Bihar is lacking about economical and financial stress that our Bihar will go through. So we want this crop to be entirely remembered, not only in this generation but furthermore. So that is why we have taken this topic, and I hope that we will be able to spread the message that sugarcane should lie always, and it should be always and forever in our memory, not just in our memory but in our livelihood. So thank you so much.